Good morning. Today we discuss a new topic. This Jilla Parishad. In the previous classes, we were discussing about three-tier system of local self-government. We have seen composition, time, and functions of Gram Panchayat, then Panchayat Samitis, and now the third one, that is Jilla Parishad. So let's see how the Jilla Parishad is composed, its time and its functions. All these today we'll discuss. Jilla Parishad is the apex of the local self-government. Apex means the top level. It is the top level body of Panchayati Raj system in rural level. It is composed of, it has different names in different states, just as we have learned about Panchayat Samitis, Gram Panchayat. Panchayat Samitis are having different names in different states. The same way, Jilla Parishad is also known by different names in different states. So today we learn about the composition of Panchayat Jilla Parishad. Composition is same in all the states, but name only is different. Functions are also different. Anyhow, our topic, composition of Jilla Parishad. Jilla Parishad is composed of one deputy commissioner of the district. Deputy commissioner means the DM. So, Deputy Commissioner of the district is a member of the Jilla Parishad. Then, all the chairpersons of Panchayat Samitis within that district are also members of the Jilla Parishad. Chairpersons of all the chairpersons of all the Panchayat Samitis within the district are also members of the Jilla Parishad. Then third one is the MPs. MPs are representing that district. All the MPs from that district and MLAs from that district and MLCs, Member of Legislative Council. So, member of all the parliament member from that district and all the state legislature, all the members of the state legislature. State legislature may have two bodies. That's why I mentioned state legislature. Some of the state legislature is unicameral, whereas some are bicameral. That means unicameral means most of the state legislature is having only legislative assembly, but in few states there are having two houses, legislative assembly and legislative councils. So all the members of state legislature from that district, that is MLAs and MLCs, the members of parliament, they all are members of the Jilla Parishad. Then besides them, some co-opted members are also there. And co-opted members, yesterday also we have seen in the composition of Panchayat Samiti, co-opted members are there. There we have seen the representatives of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and women. These communities are not represented well. Then their representatives also can be nominated. So this way, nominated members, they are called co-opted members. And in Jilla Parishad, one more category is there, experts in public service. Those who are having very good knowledge and excellent achievements in public service also can be nominated to the Jilla Parishad. So the co-opted category includes representatives of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, women, as well as persons having achievements in public service. So they all form the Jilla Parishad. So Jilla Parishad is composed of uh, Deputy Commissioner of the district, chairpersons of all the Panchayat Samitis within that district, member of parliament from that district, member of legislative assembly from that district, member of legislative council from that district, then co-opted members like representatives of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, women, as well as people who are having excellent achievement or performance in public service. So all these categories form the Jilla Parishad. And the Jilla Parishad is also constituted for a term of 5 years. And its office bearers are a chairperson, deputy chairperson, and a secretary, as same as that of the Panchayat Samiti. In Panchayat Samiti also we have seen the same only. So same way, Jilla Parishad, its office bearers are a chairperson, deputy chairperson, and a secretary. Secretary means an officer in the local government, means a paid employee, a paid or a salaried employee of the state government. So these are the office bearers. Now we'll see the functions of the Jilla Parishad. Jilla Parishad performs certain functions. Some of the important functions of the Jilla Parishad are: it looks after the all-round development of the district, or the most important function of the Jilla Parishad is to take care of the all-round development of district or overall development of the district. Jilla Parishad executes its policies and conducts its functions through various standing committees. Jilla Parishad is having different standing committees, and through these standing committees, the Jilla Parishad discharge its functions. So one of the main functions of the Jilla Parishad is to look after the developmental activities of the district. Then another important function of the Jilla Parishad is to coordinate the functions of the Panchayat Samitis. Coordinate functions of the Panchayat Samitis. Then again, another important function is it acts as a link between the state government and the panchayats. Panchayats like Panchayat Samiti and Gram Panchayat. The matters of the Gram Panchayat and Panchayat Samitis are informed or communicated to the state government through this Jilla Parishad. Especially the matters of the Panchayat Samitis, that is communicated through to the state government through the Jilla Parishad. These are some of the important functions of the Jilla Parishad. So look after the all-round development of the district, then coordinate the functions of the Panchayat Samitis, then act as link between the state government and the panchayats. One more is their supervision of the functioning of Panchayat Samitis. It supervises. The Jilla Parishad supervises the functions of the Panchayat Samitis. These are some of the important functions of Jilla Parishad. Now we have to learn a small point, that is achievements of Panchayat Samiti. Achievements of local self-government, not Panchayat Samiti, achievements of local self-government or achievements of Panchayati Raj system. One of the most important achievement of Panchayati Raj system is the decentralization of power. Administrative power has been divided from the state government to the local governments. Decentralization of power means distributing the power or dividing power from one hand to large number of people or a large or many administrative bodies. That is called decentralization of power. So by the formation of local self-government or Panchayati Raj system, administrative powers has been uh, divided from the from the state government to the local level also. Earlier, there was no local self-government. Then all the functions of the or all the administrative matters of the state, entire matters of the state was handled by the state government only. But now for Gram Panchayat there is separate government, for block level there is separate government, for Jilla there is separate government, and for cities and towns there are separate government. So the administrative power that has been distributed and divided into smaller fragments. So that is called the decentralization of power. One of the main advantage of Panchayati Raj system is the decentralization of power, administrative power. Then again, through the Panchayati Raj system, the governments can execute its policies well. Proper execution of policies of the government, that is another achievement of the Panchayati Raj system. Then local people are getting an experience in the democratic way of in democracy. Larger number of people are getting an opportunity to participate in the democratic way of government. Because in local self-government also large number of representatives are functioning. In Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti, Jilla Parishad, like local self-government, large number of representatives are functioning. So they all are getting an opportunity to participate in the democratic way of government or in the democratic style of government. So people are getting more number of people are getting opportunity in participating in the democratic way of government. Okay, these are some of the important functions of the Panchayati Raj system. Important, not functions. These are some of the important achievements of the Panchayati Raj system. So do one thing, you read this lesson well, you find out the question answers and learn it. Okay, our lesson is over. So mainly the topics you need to concentrate are composition, then term, functions, and office bearers of all these three levels of local self-government. Means Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti and Jilla Parishad. Then importance of Panchayati Raj system. Okay, or advantage. Importance means advantage of Panchayati Raj system. Then main features of the 73rd Constitution Amendment Act. Then definition of local self-government and definition of local government. Difference between local self-government and local government. Okay, these all are the main things you need to learn in this lesson. So find out the question answers and write it in your copy and learn this lesson well. Okay, thank you.